Sauce on me. I got drip. Flood the wrist. It's homage to the.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's the girl Aneke. How y'all doing or whatever? How y'all doing or whatever? Hey. Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's the girl Aneke here on Aneke Budgets. And today guys, we are doing December closeout, y'all. We are closing out the final month of 2023 and we are fully getting into 2024. Wow y'all. But y'all, is this spicy? This is juicy. I don't know if it's spicy, if it's juicy, but it's just the realization that y'all, this is the final of 2023 and we gonna eat in 2024, okay? Best believe it. So if you're interested in cash stuffing, budgeting, paying off your debt, and mind your business, and not necessarily in those for order, I hope you consider hitting that subscribe button because we would love to have you. We have a goal, we have a dream, baby, and maybe a small dream to you, but a big dream to me, baby, and we gonna make it. And so yeah, join the family. But without further ado guys, because I don't want to take up your whole time, just a good little bit amount, let's get into the video. Okay y'all, so I just zoomed in because you know we like to get all close and personal because you know this is our personal budget. It's all up in my business and I love it. Hey oldies but goodies, welcome back girl, welcome back sir. We love to have you here, right? But y'all, let's just do this budget, okay? So salary, that girl is still the same. She ain't changed. She's been faithful, and she was $3,980. And y'all, the increase has increased. I saw the check, child. If you don't know how my check works, I work the 1st through the 15th and get paid on the 15th, and work the 16th through the end of the month and get paid on the 31st. So I won't see my like first official like paycheck for the new year until my 15 January paycheck. But child, I saw it in the system because I work in payroll, baby. It is cute and y'all gonna see it once we get into it, okay? Now my rental income stayed at $600, as you guys know, or if you don't know, I'm trying to increase that by getting a second roommate. So yeah guys, my total for income for the month of December was $4,580, so nothing changed with that. Now here is the meat and potato child of what all the tea is. So my mortgage stayed at $1,410.72. Baby, they bringing it down for February, okay? Bringing it down for February because I did not send a message in time for them to change it for January, but best believe in February, oh, it's a whole update, child, a whole update. Now I did have some new updates for Lowe's. For Lowe's, I'm supposed to pay $41, but guess what? Your girl paid $118 for Lowe's, okay? $118, and we love to see it because it shows we is making moves. All right. Next is HOA. HOA stayed at $50, y'all. I owe them an extra $50 and I'm trying to pay, but y'all, I can't find the links. I gotta call them today or something. My Patreon stayed at $17.50. My pest control stayed at $66.73. My internet stayed at $98.38. Now here, the tea, child. I didn't pay anything for Driven Elite because I really wasn't there that much in December. But what happened was I found my credit card, aka I lost it and found it after I ordered a new one. And so they didn't get to charge me for the month of December. So they didn't charge me in December. And I came back in January. And January is the first time they charged me. And I'm on a new schedule now. Same amount, but a new schedule. So I actually didn't pay anything for Driven Elite in the month of December. Right? Merrick, which is my dad in Jamaica, he still got $200. My ADT security child, man. Did I tell y'all? Y'all, I don't know what happened, but I paid my ADT security because again I changed my credit card, and apparently child, they was like, no, we didn't receive it, we didn't get it, so they charged me interest. I said, wait 1 second, no ma'am, no sir, no ham, no cheese, no bread, not making this whole sandwich. Back up, okay? Stay in your lane, because don't cross into mine without an indicator, and you ain't got no right of way, baby, right? No. So they was like, okay, we're gonna credit you back your money, but it won't be on this one. You have to pay the money and then the credit's gonna come out in your next ADT security bill. So y'all, in February, we're looking for the payment, and I looked on my card the other day, and I don't think I saw where they took out the money. And child, I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it from them. They better check their money, because you're not about to complain me. What? Don't try to complain me. That's all I'm saying, child. That's all I'm saying. Over here talking about I ain't paying my bills. One thing about it, two things for sure, I'm gonna pay my bills. I may not pay off this credit card all the time, and I may not have nothing for these saving challenges, but I'm gonna pay my bills. Okay? Get into it. If nothing else, what we gonna do? We gonna pay our bills. Just like how I'ma eat. Right? Get into it. Now, the next is my Navy Federal credit card, and your girl did put a cute little chunk to it. She put $649 to my credit card. Apple Care stayed at $855. Electricity, you know, she was cute. She was $112.15. My car payment stayed at $401. My Apple One, they went down because I stopped using like Apple TV and something else, child. I only need the Apple Music, so it went down, and I'm still a family plan for Apple One, which is based on their Apple Music, and that was $18.18. And then water was down to $76.39. So these are my actuals that I pay and all the things that happened for the month of December, and that, y'all, came up to a total of, hold on, how much did it come up to? A total of what? A total of $3,257 $3,257, y'all, because what? Get into it, right? So now we're gonna move on to my budget binders. So my cash envelopes, in my cash envelopes I actually put $540, so not the $700 that I thought, y'all. In my sinking funds, I actually put $498. I guess my priorities changed. I was like, girl, calm down. You're doing too much. My priorities change, aka why expenses is more. But my saving challenge is $285. So yeah, that is cute, and that works out for us. And that came up to a total of $1,323. Okay, so my income was $4,580. That didn't change. My expenses was $3,257, and my budget binders came up to $1,323. Okay, so if you did 4,580 minus 3,257 leaves me with 1,323, which was what was put into my sinking funds, which my cash binders, I'm sorry, my cash binders, which leaves me with 0. So that was my December budget, y'all, all closed out. What I want to do is that I want to track my expenses, so an expense tracker for my daily expenses, and that's what I'm doing in January. That's what I'm trying to do, child, to get it together, because today is December 8th and I did none of that. So yeah, now I'm gonna move on to the goals of the month, y'all, and baby, your girl, she did that. I did a lot of these, so let's get into it. So the first one is that, did I go to the gym? Point blank, and what? Period. Yes, I did. Now, this no seeds, candy, soda, or chips, child, I don't know why we started this challenge in December, but that was a no-go, baby. That was an N-O. Get somebody else to do it. Spend time with God. I want to spend more, but your girl did do that, okay? She did do that. And I want to spend more time with God for that one. Repay my credit card for Christmas, y'all. I did it. If y'all saw my first cash envelope stuffing of the year, so the one that was last Wednesday, the one that I posted on Wednesday on January 3rd, I think it was, y'all, I got all the money and I paid for all the things. It was beautiful. Okay, as you guys saw, I put $285 towards saving challenges, so definitely above that. 60 no spend days. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all, I don't know, but I'm gonna say no, but I don't know. I think it's yes, but I'm gonna go with no because I just don't know. The next thing was that I wanted 1,300 YouTube subscribers. That did not happen. I wanted 3,000 watch hours. That did not happen. And then Vlogmas. Y'all watch my whole 25 days? I did that. I did 25 days of videos, and I was so proud of myself because I wanted to complete. I definitely was like, girl, if you don't do nothing else, make sure you complete Vlogmas. And I did that. So out of my 9 goals, I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I did 5 out of 9. And so I'm good. I'm good with that. I'm more than 50%. And yeah, I'm really good with that. So this is my December budget and goals portion. Now we're gonna go into my debt portion to see what is my official debt that I'm starting off the year 2024 with. Okay, so let's close out December budget. Okay, y'all, so this is a debt diary by Money with Gab. You can get it on Etsy. She made this in 2022, but I was using it and I did not finish it in 2022, so I was like, you know what, we ain't gonna let it go to waste. So here we are in 2023. Okay, so let me write out the debts real quick. Credit card, car loan, and mortgage. Okay, and Lowe's started at 118. My credit card started at 8307.99. My car loan started at $11,814.38. My mortgage started at $204,590.58. Okay, and that was a total of $224,830.95. Whoa, crazy. But that's what I started out with, y'all. So for Lowe's, y'all, I made a payment on Lowe's. I made a $118 payment. So right now Lowe's has nothing on there, and we love to see it because, child, we in love to owe nobody. Okay, now next is my credit card. My credit card started off with $8,307.99, and now I have a total of $8,000. I ended the month of December with a total of $8,003.56. Y'all, my car loan started at $11,814.38, and now I have $11,450.04. My house loan started off at $204,590.58, and now I have a total of $204,179.36. Okay, so when you do the addition of all the numbers, 11,450 plus 04 plus 204 plus 179.36, you get a total of $223,632.96. so that is my new total, y'all. I know I am rushing y'all. Your girl got to go, but that is all of it. That's my December budget, and that's what we're starting off January with. If you made it all the way to the end, thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Aneke, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.